Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's better.
Right up there. Watch it.
Oh,
I can leave it.
it's right there. It's in space. Yeah, I know. My rocket landed right next.
And it's okay. Scoot back up, Sam.
Scoot back.
Okay.
Next, Sam. I won't get wet.
You maybe will have chance later, Bob. Okay. Let me do the rest. Okay.
Oh.
I wouldn't get closer.
Yeah, it sometimes goes off by itself. It's just water and air.
I've seen that. Want the scout down?
No.
Oh, it's coming down on us! Hey, it's coming down on you!
Look out.
Oh, same path. I see another piece of it. Did it land on its top? Did it land right there?
Okay.
So it landed
We're gonna
right
watch this
side
one.
up.
Okay, scoot back a little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look out!
Good. You get that one out of your hair. All right, let's go.
Get over here, honey. Stay over here by Dad.
Same drill again. See here. Loud 3, 2, 1, and then go.
3, 2, 1. Watch out!
All right, 3, 2, 1.
I see it. I recognize it.
Do you want me to do it? Yep, you can do it. Yep, keep the pin and you gotta hold that down and it should light up. Yep, yep. All right, ready? Yeah, I think it's 3, 2, 1, go!
Middle, I think.
That was
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Watch. Hey, don't arm that thing yet. Oh, this thing is armed. It's fine, but it should be armed while I was working on it. I just realized. All right, ready on all 3? All right, put arm it.
Here you go.
Stick that thing in there. All right, we got lights. 3, 2, 1. There we go.
What pressure do you have to do?
I'm gonna do that too, Daddy.
Wait.
I think they're rated technically.
Can I do that?
Sometimes falls itself. That's why I have tape on there. It's
1,
wet. It's
2, 3,
something to go.
4,
Yeah.
1.
Sometimes on launches, the launch is by itself. All it is water, so.
Yeah.
I want to try and catch it.
No, you don't want to try to catch it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, it goes pretty far.
1, 2,
I'll have to get like a
3,
rangefinder and
4,
find out how high it goes.
Yeah.
5. It's water rocket.
Oh, so the whole
One.
stand is the air change.
Monica,
Yes.
quiet.
2,
Yeah, I was wondering how you get enough air in there.
1, 2, 3,
You can fill it up with water too. The water.
Oh, I see the water in the bottom.
Yep.
want to do that
Combination of water and air. You can want to just
Please,
air. But...
Daddy.
Not now. Not Leif's doing it. Not yet.
Okay, let's go back, everybody.
Me?
Yep. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And it's raining.
It's raining. Let's go down over here.
Hey, that went up pretty good.
Careful.
Oh,